Hudson, what are you doing?
I'm swimming. There's a little mermaid.
You're swimming like the Little Mermaid?
Yes. Wait, we have this kind of
What are you doing? You doing junk collecting?
Yes.
There goes the Little Mermaid.
Do it.
That's our place for the weekend.
Give me some. Give me some.
Howdy. Hudson, did you get wet?
Look at JJ.
Oh, we're gonna give you a pet, y'all. What's up?
JJ.
Hey,
guys.
Jay.
Y'all having fun?
Yes.
Is it cooler in the water?
Yes.
Oh. All right, guys, y'all ready for some sardines?
Yep.
Huddy, you gonna try one?
No.
You're not. Tucker, you like them?
Yeah.
You think you like them with hot peppers?
Yeah.
All right, let's find out.
It's gonna be yummy, I bet.
Let's put hair on your chest.
Let me try. Wait, is there hot peppers with this?
Yep. Is it a little hot? You have to go get your water when you get done.
Not that hot.
He's tired. Aftermath of the day on the water. This is what happens after a day on the water. Filling our bellies. That's it.
Hudson, you driving? We got some night driving going on here.
Nighttime rides.
Yay!
Hey, Lana. There's the man. Woo. Look, point your toes and everything.
Yeah, he's not getting the phone.
Look, it's pretty clear, honestly. I can see his legs.
Hold this.
All right, it's comment
That's pretty fine.
time.
We need to come back
Who
down.
thinks he can go to the bottom 18 feet down and find the phone in
See
the
if you
dark?
can even touch the bottom.
Comment in the comments section.
the bottom. Don't worry
Your head.
That's not looking too good. I can see him.
Touch it. That's deep.
Did you touch it though?
No.
Okay, go down hands first.
No.
Yes. So how he can't grab a phone with his feet.
Try to catch a fish while you're at it.
Hold the rope.
Go down hands first. You
All right.
have too many things to do.
It doesn't look like he went anywhere.
Did you see it? fighting the wind today. Trying to put our wind blocks up. Low Country Bowl away. Got some green beans because we got a vegetarian in the house, so we try to fill it up. Is ever gonna cook?
What you eating, boys? Oh, is it yummy? Looks gross.
Another day on the lake. Ready to get some corn? This is our tripod for taking the family pictures. And this is everybody trying to get ready.